Hello friends, I am Tanvi. First of all, we are very thankful to all of you for subscribe our YouTube channel and like our video. Today in this module, we will learn about sound E three-letter words. Please subscribe our channel and like our video and ring the bell icon to get notification first. So let's start with me. Vowel E. D, E, N. Then. H, E, N. Hen. M, E, N. Men. Very good. T, E, N. Ten. Very nice. P, E, N. Pen. Very good. B, E, D. Bed. Excellent. N, E, T. Net. Very good. J, E, T. Jet. Outstanding. P, E, T. Pet. Very good. V, E, T. Vet. Very good. Please subscribe our channel for more educational videos. Thank you.